What's going on, everyone? My name is Anthony. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to utilize Active Directory and creating user accounts and organizational units, going straight through a virtual machine, and using Hyper-V and all those thin layers of software that connects a domain controller and to other local computers, right? So let's get straight into it. I'm going to click on the Virtual Machine Corp DC. Virtual machines, I can configure and create accounts. I can control and pretty much manage user accounts. So let's get straight into it. I'm going to double click twice and I'm going to go into Corp DC. You can see now I'm on a Corp DC server. So let's start to configure. I'm going to enlarge this, go to Tools. In Tools, you'll see Active Directory, User, and Computers, right? We're going to click on that. Bring that over. I'm going to click down on the corpnet.local. And on the left, it gives me a scenario that I am an IT administrator, and it's telling me to go into Active Directory and create these user accounts and their job roles. So let's get it. Marketing. I'm going to expand marketing, click on marketing management, and you can either create an account two different ways. You can right click, you can go to new, and users is here at the bottom. Or I can click this icon here and I can instantly start to go to work. So I don't feel like typing all this. I'm just going to copy and paste. I'm also working on, I'm on my other monitor. I'm working off my other monitor right now. So just to demonstrate you guys real quick, Jay Suarez. So now that I have his username, I'm going to then create his password. Boom, boom. Hit next, finish, and now the user account is created. Next is permanent sales employment. I'm going to go down to sales. I'm going to go to perma sales, right? I can click on this icon. I'd rather do that. And what this does is allow people or users to have access And now we just created another account on Perma Sales. Now I'm going to go to Sales Manager, create another account. And listen, guys, I've been studying IT for a little bit over a year now. I learn something new every day. And I love IT because it's logic. It goes off numbers. Numbers don't lie. Facts don't lie. And we go hand in hand. Let's just say that much. Finish. Created another account. My last account, Mr. Bori Chan. Temporary sales. Create an account. B Chan. The hell? Copy. Okay. Oh, that's what it is. All right. So I can also configure the properties on these accounts, and this is very important for any IT student or administrator, or anybody that's in the IT industry. You can go to properties and you can configure accounts. One second. Marketing manager. Configure following temporary sales employee. So I'm going to go to properties here. I'm going to go to Bori Chan. We're going to hit account because that's where most of the magic happens, right? I'm going to go to log on hours. I'm going to go to log on denied because I'm going to have to restrict these hours for Mr. Chan, right? From 8 a.m. on Monday to, oh, sorry. Okay. From 8 a.m. Monday to 5 p.m. Friday. So we're going to hit it here. Is that 5? Oh. Okay. Wait. Uh-oh. That's 7? What the? No, right here. Let's say 6. Gotta go over one more. 6 to 8. No, it's 8 a.m. 5 p.m. Friday. Still say 6, bro. What the fuck? All right. So now I just restricted Mr. Chan's hours from 5 p.m. from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday. So now Mr. Chan can only log on his user account within these hours and these days and within this time frame. So we're going to click OK. And we're going to go down to account expires. We're going to go down to end of, and we're going to change this to December 31st. I'm going to click apply and OK. Let's see. Will they, what? Who? I did something wrong here. Oh, Susan Smith. And there you have it, folks. So that there is how you can go into Active Directory using a domain controller, Service Manager, Hyper-V, and you can create user accounts and organizational units. I hope you guys enjoyed this test out. My name is Anthony. I'm a network operations system and security specialist, and I'm Audi 3000 Love.